Create a quiet cooking oasis with our guide to cooker hood noise levels. To find out how noisy a cooker hood is, you need to check the decibel level. The higher the decibel rating, the louder your cooker hood will be. This means if you want to carry on a conversation without raising your voice, you'll need a model below 60 decibels. Keep your cooking focus with a quiet cooker hood. There's lots of reasons your cooker hood may be noisier, from the type of motor inside to the type of venting it uses. Always look for a quieter model around 40 decibels. They're kitted out with a high-performance motor and larger duct. So when you're rustling up a tasty treat for friends, the only noisy distractions will be the great company. Louder models can range from 50 to 70 decibels or more, while extractor hoods will be noisier if the duct leading outside is small. So if you want to listen to some chilled-out tunes while you cook, you may want to take a look at a quieter model. Make your kitchen the heart of the home with a quiet cooker hood.